Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now we will come to the end of this chapter, and now we have to discuss the keywords and what we have learned in this chapter. So the keywords are acid rain, air pollution, chemical contamination, global warming, greenhouse effect, pollutants, potable water. The last is water pollution. So these are all the keywords that we have discussed in the chapter, and then we have to learn each of these definitions and examples. Then we have what you have learned in this. The first point is air pollution is the contamination of air by impurities which may have a harmful impact on the living organisms and the non-living components. So it's a definition of air pollution. You can learn this definition and write this only while there is a question on air pollution. Then we have pollutants are the substances which contaminate air and water. So the pollutants are would be air pollution or air pollutant or water pollutant. It depends on that. But if they ask you water pollutants, you can definitely give this definition. Then we have monoxide, nitrogen oxides, carbon dioxide, methane, and sulfur dioxide are the major pollutants of air. Increasing levels of greenhouse gases like CO2 are leading to global warming. So these are very important points, as it's a summary of the chapter. So it should be learned very well. Then water pollution is the contamination of water by substances harmful to life. Sewage, agricultural chemicals, and industrial waste are some of the major contaminants of water. Water which is purified and fit for drinking is known as potable water. So it's a definition of potable water. Then last is water is a precious natural resource. We must learn to conserve it. So it's very important to conserve water as it's very precious for our life. So that's it. We have done the chapter very well, and then we have to move to the next chapter in the next video. Till then, you have to learn and revise the summary of this one.